This is a Kerze puzzle and I will show you how to solve it in this video. The name of the puzzle, Kerze, translates to English as candle, as you guessed. The puzzle was designed by Jean-Claude Constantin, a famous French puzzle designer who lives in Germany. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on the Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all parts inside the frame in such a way that only one of squares will be visible. And you start from 1 and solve it every day until you reach 24. It's kind of advanced puzzle where you solve it every day, and every day you have a new challenge for 24 days straight. If you like the Kerze puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and hit the subscribe button if you would like to access more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. I'll show you just a couple of dates maybe, since if I try to solve all 24 of them, it will take quite a lot of time. So here is my attempt to keep only number 1 uncovered. Let's see. It kind of works pretty well so far. I can actually solve it, but it will be for the 23rd day. So this is not the solution that I'm looking for. So maybe I have to flip some of the parts like that. That already doesn't look like the correct solution, but maybe if I flip some other parts as well, like this goes here. Oh, maybe I'm doing something right. Nope, that doesn't fit. Yeah, as you can see, that is not as easy as you may think, especially if you're trying to solve the exact date. If you're just trying to fit all parts inside of the frame and you don't care about the date, then it doesn't look as difficult, since I solved it twice already, 24, 22, 23, but I still trying to figure out how to put parts inside the frame in such a way that only the first day will be visible, which seems quite impossible for now. Okay, maybe another approach. Let's see. This goes here, and that doesn't fit again. Maybe this time it will be possible to do. Yeah, finally. Okay, that is the solution for the first day of the Kerze puzzle. That was quite tricky, as you can see. And then you can continue solving it every day till the number 24. If you like the Kerze puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca.